Okay, so I'm gonna quickly show you the best apps to immediately download, what they do, and then also there's one app that is hidden that I'm gonna show you how to get, and it's very, very, very important. It's no longer actually on the App Store. So first of all, these are the apps I recommend no matter what. So we need Ali Reviews. This is gonna be helping us with reviews. We are going to create our own reviews in the beginning. This is the only way we're gonna actually look like we are legitimate. And then this is if we're selling outside the US, we need this app. If you're not going to be selling outside the US, you actually don't even need this. Or if you're like, let's just say you're in Australia, you are physically based in Australia and you're only selling to Australia, then you won't need this app either, right? Now this one is GemPages. We absolutely need this one. I'm going to show you guys how we're going to create the best looking landing pages ever. And it's by far the easiest. And then the last one is Tito Live Chat. I'll quickly show you. This is a live chat app that, I think I've downloaded every single live chat app. I don't know why. I've been obsessed with just looking at different apps for just so long now. This is a really good one. I like it. You could even download the app on your phone. And the reason why this is important to have is because you need feedback. You need to know what customers are like, hey, I can't check out, or hey, I can't add to cart, or oops, you're like, hey, does it have X, Y, and Z? And then you know what to add on your landing page. So I just wanted to tell you this is the main thing. Now, probably the main focus of this video should be actually this. So this is an app that is no longer on the App Store. And if I'm to show you actually our little document right here, I'm gonna leave a link, or at least show you this link right here. This is the Google Shopping app that we absolutely need. It's right here. This is the link, and it's hidden from the App Store as of right now. So the only way we can do it is by clicking on this link, and it'll take us to a page like this. So what we have to do is put in our URL right here with the myshopify.com. Do not put your actual domain. So it says not the naked domain, but put the myshopify.com version, which is exactly this right here. And then we're gonna click submit. Now, once we click submit, this is going to have us, log in. Okay. So now we're logging in. We just have to put in our credentials. And so we will see the page. Great. So now we can download this. Yes. So we're going to install this unlisted app. It says it's not listed in the Shopify App Store, but this app is the absolute best. This is going to save you a lot of pain because this is the only app that's going to allow us to do everything that we need. So we're going to go ahead and install it. And great. The store is password protected. That's okay. This is good that we're going through this. So what this means is we need to choose a plan on our actual Shopify store. We never chose an actual plan. So if we look right here, we could, right here, select plan. So once we click select a plan and we have our credit card credentials all in, we need to just choose this plan and boom. Now, I'm pretty sure we would actually have to click start plan and then remove the password protection. So we're gonna go ahead, click start plan. Awesome. Okay, so we still have our trial. Now, after we selected the plan, all we have to do is we have to click right here on our online store, and it's gonna give us this little notification. Online store is password protected. We just disable the password. Great. The password is going to, let's not even enable it. Let's just save. Boom, done. Our online store is live. And so now what's gonna happen is with this, it should recognize it. And if not, it might take a couple minutes. But I'm gonna show you a full tutorial on how we're gonna get started. Not only with Google Shopping, by the way, this is even for dynamic ads, a whole bunch of other things as well, even Bing ads. So with that being said, that's it for this video, and we're gonna continue. All right, guys, so I hope you take this video to heart. But I want to explain why you shouldn't compete with others as far as students inside this group. I'm going to explain it actually on different angles, but one of them, of course, is morally. I'd like it if we were more, if we were kind of closer than that. But two, I want to explain why it's actually not going to work. And this is going to give you actually an interesting perspective, a little bit more on how Google works. So first of all, why shouldn't you do it? Well, let's say you are doing your product research and you see someone that has a very laid out listing similar to what I'm teaching, and then you click and you see, oh yes, the landing page. Oh, this must be oh, this must be someone in Charlie's course. And then you're analyzing it and you're like, this must be a good opportunity. Well, first of all, you don't know if it's a good opportunity. You don't know if there's actually any sales happening. But second, what I want to explain is this guy right here that you originally found with this product listing ad or shopping ad. This guy has been ranking with these keywords and dominated and raced to the top of the shopping ad listing, ranking, getting really good CTR with Google, showing Google, wow, a lot of people are clicking through. This is a very good advertiser. And so as they've been ranking, they've been really getting some good check marks from Google. So this guy shot straight up very, very early. Okay. Now, if you see this and now you go and build out your store, build out your ad, and then you go and launch, well, you are not going to get the same opportunity as this person. This person absolutely pretty much shocked the competition by immediately spiking. So Google now favors this person because this person's been here longer, has better domain authority, and is more trusted by Google as long as they can keep their listing here and not violate any policies. But they are totally in the green. But now you are going to have to do a little bit of an uphill battle to go ahead and, I guess you could say, impress Google or show that your CTR is going to climb up the rankings. But you are going to have a more of an uphill battle and you're going to have to spend a lot more. So your metrics will be thrown off. You will have to try to go ahead and, I guess, compete, but it's going to be completely worthless because the whole point of me teaching you these strategies is to give you your blue ocean. And what you do by competing with a student is you ruin your blue ocean, right? So right now, one of my stores is selling in a super saturated industry where there's Walmart, Best Buy, and whatnot. But I am using these strategies and it is creating my blue ocean. Now, I don't suggest you sell in those, but nonetheless, it is creating my blue ocean. So that way I have a covet and I am pretty much one of the more dominant people in that saturated space. However, for you, what you can do and what I really highly suggest is by going through the product research and finding some niche, some product, and now you completely dominate it. And what that's going to do, it's going to give you like a little anchor. So since you're kind of what I like to say a first mover, like as an advertiser, you are a first mover, you go in and you kind of plant your seed and now you're ranking. Now you have like this kind of dominance right here and you are the first mover for a fresh product. So instead of trying to climb up the ranks and trying to go after what you might think is a good product, you're missing the boat on just going and doing maybe another hour of research and finding a more of a blue ocean, okay? So I wanted to explain that. It kind of gives you an interesting perspective on, I guess, how Google works and how Google thinks. But I know this is a lot of squiggles, but nonetheless, I just wanted to explain it. So trust me on this. I hope this makes sense because I want you guys to have success. So that's it.